Create collaborative learning opportunities throughout your classroom with the Board M600, the evolution of the world's favorite interactive whiteboard. The world's most popular interactive whiteboard now has dual touch, allowing students and teachers to naturally interact with content and creating fun lesson content to drive engagement. By simply using a finger or pen, students can enjoy writing, erasing, and performing mouse functions. Bring lesson content to life using Smartboard's intuitive gestures, such as flick, rotate, and zoom. Making interaction more natural for teachers, dual touch gestures are fast becoming the intuitive way to interact with content, providing a consistent experience from your tablet device to your large format classroom display. Student collaboration is enhanced with the board's dual touch capabilities, which allow two students to naturally collaborate and simultaneously interact with lesson content using pens, their fingers, or other objects. The Smartboard M600's freestyle interaction provides a simple and adaptable way of maintaining lesson momentum. It enables two students to instantly start working together without having to switch to a multi-user mode or work in confined areas of the surface. This allows teachers to provide innovative and adaptive lesson content while still maintaining class attention levels. Teachers can easily create and deliver engaging interactive lessons and then save notes or content from those lessons to share with students using Smart Notebook collaborative learning software. Notebook is also able to easily link to a variety of classroom technologies and student devices, creating interactive learning that flows throughout the classroom. Students and teachers can also write clear notes over applications, websites, and videos using Smart Ink. The system automatically smooths out the digital ink as you write to improve legibility and clarity. The intuitive multi-user pen tray provides quick access to ink color selections, the on-screen keyboard, and right-click and help functions, making it easy for teachers to facilitate learning in real time. The Smartboard M600's durable low-gloss surface is optimized for projection, ensuring that students can see content clearly from anywhere in the room. Deliver lessons to your students that are engaging, fun, and interactive with the stunning Smartboard M600 Interactive Whiteboard.